Alright, so this is my final project. It is called the Mega Escape Room. So let's first read how to play. Each room will have a set amount of challenges. There will be instructions on each challenge. Complete the challenges to progress to the next room. You can also time yourself on how long it takes you to escape. Press enter to go back to menu. Alright, let's see the options here. So we got timer, so we can time ourselves, and we got full screen. Alright, nice. Well, now let's play. Alright, so this first challenge is a maze. And you have to get through it without touching any of the walls, because if you do, that happens. You get sent back to the start. So, there's two ways you can do this. There's the easy way, which is through here. Or you can go like this. Oh, sorry, my bad. Crap. It's like this. This is definitely the more difficult way, but it's possible. Alright, so for this next challenge, you have to make each rectangle the same color by clicking on them. Clicking on a rectangle changes colors. In addition to that, the first one changes the second one, like that. The second one changes the third one. And the third one changes the first one, like this. Second one changes the third one. Now this challenge is actually pretty easy to solve. So yeah, that's basically how you solve it. And third one is basically like the first one, but it's a bit different. So you gotta go through here. It's pretty small area. You can either go this way, or you can just go like this. You could, in theory, just go straight up from there, but that's no fun. Alright, for this one, you have to change the numbers until they get to green. Green means that's the number, yellow means you're close, and red means you're far. So like the numbers 6 and like 5 and 7 are yellow. 6 was yellow, so 7 is green, which means it's 7, and then 8 is yellow, so this means it's 9. Alright, we're done, and now you click on the door to go to the next room. Now you gotta follow the pattern, which is red, 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 yellow, green, blue, green. This is different for every time you play, but if I remember, it's red, 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 yellow, green, blue, green. Alright, for this one is a boss battle. You have to click backspace to get the number to 0. It adds 1 every frame, but every backspace removes 20. So you just gotta click as fast as you can. And you win.